Rubber 3D printing is applied in various industries, such as the automotive industry, aerospace industry, and other fields. This technology combines the advantages of rubber materials with the performance of 3D printing technology. Through the manufacturing process, various rubber products with high difficulty requirements will be produced through machines. The most commonly used materials in rubber 3D printing are thermoplastic elastomers, thermoplastic polyurethanes, and silicone-based materials. The design and production of products may also vary due to the complexity of product geometries and differences in material properties. In the future, more and more rubber 3D printing will be applied. Rubber 3D printing offers numerous advantages over traditional manufacturing methods. Its ability to create complex designs, enable customization, produce functional prototypes and end-use products, provide cost-effective small batch production, and contribute to environmental sustainability, make it a game changer in various industries. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, expect to see even more innovative applications of rubber 3D printing in the future. The processing requirements of rubber 3D printing play a crucial role, especially in terms of product accuracy, shape, technology, and other aspects. Technicians are proficient in operating 3D printing to ensure that the printed products have high quality. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.